So, we're doing a little bit of DIY today. Helen has asked if she can have a little more space on the kitchen worktop when she's preparing food. So, we're going to try to give her a little bit of plywood. And I came a couple of days ago and took some measurements. And I'm hoping this is going to be somewhere near a fit. So the idea, because we don't use the hob very much, is that we're going to have a board there. Now, I've not done too badly, but if you can just see there, we are just maybe a centimetre too long on the circle there. I need to widen it. I want Helen to be able to get into the sink at the same time. So we're going to take that back and just take another centimetre off the curve there. And then we'll stain it all nice and grey. The rubber feet, I didn't think were going to clear that. I didn't think they were long enough. But they're all right. That is solid. So we don't use the hob as often as we use an air fryer nowadays. And that will just happily sit on there and also give us a bit more space. That'll work nicely. Yeah. Happy with that. And then one piece of plywood to go in the bedroom this time. We have decided that in one of the wardrobes, shelf space is more valuable than hanging space. So although there is a coat hanger up there, what we would like to do, and I'm not going to fit it today, we would like to be able to put a shelf in there. I will wait until the van is completely level so we can get a spirit level on that. A couple of little hinges, a little shelf supports under there, and that'll
be all right, that won't it?
It's bang on, isn't it? That's going to save some space. And 24 hours later, same piece of wood, we've just cut it out a little bit wider, and I've stained it grey. Rough and ready as everything that I do is, but it does mean now that we can easily open the sink. And as I mentioned, the air fryer sits nicely on top and the hob is hidden but easily accessible if we need it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, you know the routine. Please do like and subscribe, and if you hit the notifications button as well, you'll be the first to hear of any new videos that we make. Thank you for watching.